Welcome to the video WAGO Lighting Management documentation, where I want to show you how to documentate your configuration. At first I have to type in the IP address in my browser from the application controller. Please use HTTPS. The HTTP port is deactivated for security reasons. I have to log in at first with the username admin and the password is WAGO. The application starts in the view function, but I want to switch to file, and here you can find a printer icon, and by clicking on print you see my browser blocks pop-ups, but I can allow this pop-up. In the second tab the documentation is loaded, so you can see here up to 80,000 data points listed very compactly, and on the top you can see the controller. This is the header. Here you can also type in or edit a name for the project and so on. So make a double click, type in a name, for example demo project, save, and when you completed all the settings here, you can click on save data and all the changes will be stored automatically on the application controller. If you want to minimize the view here, you'll see all the information here. You can put a tick away, for example file management, and you see only the information which is important at this moment. At the end I want to show you how to save the documentation on your laptop. Therefore you have to click on print and select your PDF printer, and now you get a PDF file with the whole documentation.